So today's video is a few progress updates and answers to some questions that I've been asked. And I'll be honest, I watch a lot of YouTube and usually progress videos aren't the kind of thing that I'm attracted to, but in the title of this, it's try to finish something, and I tend to focus on just the finish, the getting something done part of the title. But there's also the try, which implies that there's a progression to get things done, and the whole reason for this channel is to hold myself accountable to get things done. So one of the questions that I've been asked is, how's the progress on the shop, garage, cleanup going? Kind of depends on who you ask. But today, we're going to take a tour of where I am in the progress of that. Back into the embarrassment. I have the original shelving unit that we made together on the channel. And then I've made these two that were made to fit under the window. They've got these side posts that are level at the top so that things can be stored on top. I do need to find a better place to store this tree bag, but for now it's just sitting here on top of these. And over there, that's about half the paint that I'm still looking to store. And I do have an idea on how to fix that horrible failure too, and I'll do that in an upcoming video. But how's the progress? I say it's better. It's baby steps, right? If I were to ask my wife, she might say better too, but her tone would be more, well, it's better, drawing out the last syllables, meaning it's not, keep at it. The other question I get is, how did my daughter's film project go using that fake money? The assignment was a music video, and I can't use the audio here or it's going to get pulled from YouTube, so just imagine you're listening to a song about time being the ruler of everything. The song was Tally Hall, Ruler of Everything. She's going to kill me for using some of the clips, so I'm just going to show you a few and not her full edit. Here she's unhappy, she hears the winning lottery numbers. She travels back in time to play the lottery. Now she's got tons of money. Money isn't making her happy. And time catches up with her in the end. I thought she did a great job, and the props worked perfectly. So my other update is, I just looked at the calendar and noticed I have about a week left until a local anime Comic-Con event that is actually still going on. My oldest daughter is going to do some anime group thing with her cousins, but my youngest wants to be a Jawa and wants me to go as the Mandalorian with her. This look of sheer panic. It's coming up quick and I'm running out of time. So I have less than a week to get both of those done. So the next few videos are going to be me trying to complete a custom Jawa for my 8-year-old and get my Mandalorian across the finish line. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the subscriptions. All of this pressure, it's really starting to pay off.